Welcome to Mr. Planners. Did you know we're the area's most complete kitchen and bath specialists and window and door showroom. Plus we carry over 100 appliances in stock, plus tubs and sinks, granite, Corian, quartz countertops, brand names that you've heard of, and we do groutless custom showers, plus we offer full remodeling services to go along with your project. We plan to meet your needs, whether you need a full service project like this one or just a kitchen only. Mr. Planners can plan them all together so you won't need to go to 10 different stores or 10 different subcontractors to get what you need.